Hello children, how are you? Hope you'll be good. Welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am taking class 7th Maths exercise 1.3. First question is very simple. You went to by yourself by using the rules for integers. Okay, multiplication product rules I told you earlier. Now I'll tell you here question number 2, question number 5 and question number 3. Only one part I am going to tell you about question number 2, that is verification. I think if you will see this carefully or understand it carefully, you can do the B part also. So let us start with first one, A part. For this, for verification, always do like this. Write down one side LHS and another one side RHS. Or if you don't want to put this here, so put equal to. Right? Solve it. If both are not equal, just cancel. It's not equal. Okay. So let us start. This is 18 into. Okay, firstly I'll tell you this one is which property is used. Look here. It is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Of multiplication over addition. Right? Okay, let us start. LHS, what is written? 18 into 7 minus, plus minus is minus 3, right? Then after 18 into, this is what? 4. This is 18 4s are 72, right? Now equal to, okay, equal to and equal to. I have just write it down. No need to. 18 into 7 is 1, 8 7s are 56, 6, 5, 126, right? Then plus sign is there, okay, we put plus sign, then after see, 18 into minus 3, plus minus is minus, sign will be minus, now 18 3s are 54, right? So we have written over here. Now 126 plus minus, 126 write down 126 plus minus is minus and 54. Okay. Then 6 minus 4 unit place. Look, unit place, no need to write in column way, just do it here only. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. We'll start from unit place. Then tens, see what is written, 5, 2 and 5. Not, it will not go. 12 minus 5 is 7. So look here, here also 72, here also 72. That means LHS is equal to what? RHS. Here we have verified it. Okay. Yes, children? So children, look at question number 3. Second part, B part, do by yourself. Question number 3 I am telling you here. Question is, for any integer A, what is the minus 1 into A equal to? So, minus 1 into A will be equal to dash. They have asked. Minus 1 means one negative sign is there and here it is positive. So, minus, it will be A equals to what? So, simply write it over here. 1 into A is A. And negative plus into positive is negative. So answer will be minus A. So children, question number 3, it's the second part. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. With minus 1, you have to do what? Product with minus 1. So I have written here, it's all parts. So write down first minus 22 into minus 1, right? 2 negative sign means even number of negative integers, product will be positive, right? 21 into 1 is 22 into 1, that is 22. So come to the next, that is 37 into minus 1. Now see, here it is positive, one negative is there. So what will be its product? It will be in negative. So it is 37. Now come to the next, that is 0. 0 into minus 1. 0 into minus 1, always it is 0. Okay children? So children, here we are at question number 5. Find the product by using suitable identities. Before this, I just want to tell you that this question is very important for your exam point of view. Okay, questions are mainly asked from this chapter. This one question they are asking. And one more thing, whenever you are doing this exercise, watch by that video where I have told you all the properties. Watch it again. Okay, so let us come to its A part. I have written here 26 into minus 48 into minus 48 into minus 36, right? So I think here it is plus. Sorry, here it is plus, right? Now see, this and this make it in two groups. Okay, what you can see here, this term and this term, what is common here? Do you see anything common here? Yes, it is minus 48. So we have written here minus 48. Okay, right, minus 48 here. Then into and in bracket, what you'll write? From here, from this one and this one. Okay, these are the two groups. You have taken out what? 48 minus 48 you have taken out. What is left? See, here it is 26 and plus sign. Then see, this is minus 36. So better to put square bracket here, right? Square bracket. So just now we have done in third question. I told you there only which property is used here. Tell me which property? Yes, that is, I'm writing here, property of distributive property. Which property? Distributive. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, so which property is used here? It is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So I am just rubbing it for doing the question further. Let us see, minus 48. So write down minus 48 into 26 plus into minus 36, right? Then minus 48 into, now see, 26 minus 36, this is plus and minus. Plus minus, what you have to do? You have to do minus. And which sign you have to put? Which is greater number? 30. So children, again look at this question. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36, right? So which property? I told you earlier which property is used over here. It is distributive property of multiplication over addition, right? Now its solution starts like this. These are the two groups. Okay, in these two groups, see here, plus is written, means one term is this and second term is this. Okay, so in these two groups, in these two terms, which is common? What you see common in this one, 48 minus 48 and minus 48 is common. So we will write it in the beginning. Then into, now bracket open, 26. See, if we have taken out minus 48 outside, then what is left? 26 is left. 26 is here. Now which sign is there? Plus. Then in these two terms, in this term, 48 is outside. So what is left? 36 minus 36 is left. Now that is equal to minus 48 into bracket. Okay, now this is 26, plus minus is minus and 36, right? That is equal to minus 48 into, now see, minus 26 minus 36 is, which is greater? 36 is greater. In front of 36 minus sign is there, plus minus is minus we have to do, and we have to put minus sign. So what do you get? You will get minus minus. Now see, 1, 2, even number is this. So minus minus, minus into minus is plus. Then 48 into 10 is 480. 400. children, this is the B part. 8 into 53 into minus 125. So this is the question what they have asked. They have asked by using suitable property you have to do the solution, right? Now in this part, what do you see what we have to do? See, this is 8 and this is 125 minus 125. This means if we will multiply this and this, we'll get answer in 0. Unit place will be 0. Okay. So we have to change the place. So changing of place is in which property? You have to keep in mind all the properties of integers, right? So we are using which property? By using associative property of multiplication, right? Of multiplication. Why? Because all the three are, this is the product. Now you have to find the product. Okay, by using associative property of multiplication. Now let us change their position. So firstly you have to write this one. So write it down. Now see, 53, write down 53 here. Put equal to 53 here. Now into 8 in the bracket, right? Into minus 125 in the bracket. Okay, so put this one also square bracket. Now 53, right? Into 8 into 5. Do the multiplication here only, no need to write in column. 8 5s are 40, 0, carry 1, carry 4. 8 2s are 16 and 4 20, 0 and 2. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. So what you'll get? 1000. Now negative and positive. So plus minus is minus. Sign will be minus. So what you'll get? You'll get the answer. What? 53 into 1000 is 53,000. Now say which sign is there? Here is positive and here is negative. Plus minus is minus. So our answer is what? Minus 53,000. See children, question number 5th C part is similar to the first one. So do it, try it. Okay. Now come to D part, that is little bit different. Now see which property we have to use here. See, it is 41 and this is 102. So which property? We can divide this 102 into 100 plus 2. Okay. So it is minus 41. Keep it like this only. Now into, just divide it. It is 100 plus 2. We can write it like this. So which property we have used here? We have used what? Distributive property of multiplication, right? Distributive property of multiplication we have used. Now let us see. Now you can do this question. Minus 41, right? Into, first we will do this into this, so 100, right? Then plus sign is there, put plus. Then minus 41, we have to multiply minus 41 with what? With, keep it in bracket and this one square bracket. The square bracket, right? This one square bracket. Now minus 41 into 2 is, minus 41 into 2 is, you have to write it like this. Now this is equal to sign and equal to sign. Okay, 41 into 100 is 4100, right? Minus into plus is minus. Okay, got it? Then plus. Then minus into plus. Sign will be minus. 41 into 2 is 82. Then that is equal to what? Minus 4100. Right? Plus minus is minus. See, plus into minus is minus. Okay, and 82. Now, what do you have to see? Now see, minus minus, what do you have to do? Minus minus, what do you have to do? Plus you have to do. But sign will be of minus minus. Sign will be of minus. So add from here only. Unit place 0 and 2. 2 tens. It will be 8 and 1 and 4. So our answer is what? Minus 4182. So children, today we have done question number 2, 3 and 5. All the parts I haven't done, but which are different questions I have done for you. You just try it by yourself. If you're not getting it, then write it in comment box that ma'am, please tell me this one or this one part. Okay, and subscribe my channel as well as share my channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos in time, as well as next, now very important questions I am going to tell you in next video. So be with me, and whatever that test questions or exam questions, I'll tell you in the next video. So I hope you will join my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.